It's my time to shine, ladies and gentlemen. Hey guys, welcome back to Cheyenne's channel. As you see, the bros have taken over. It's your boy Kojo, better known as TMTG. I'm in the building here with my brother.
No one calls you TMTG. That's
Everybody calls him TMTG.
Yeah,
no one calls him that.
That's the.
Gretchen, stop trying to make fetch happen. It's not going to happen.
Here with my brother Marcus. You already know we out here. And yes, we are here on Watch Your Words. Thank you for tuning in. If you have yet to do so, please subscribe to Cheyenne's channel. Most importantly, because we're here for the queen. Yes, we're here for the queen. So, yeah. As you watch this episode, you're gonna see that you enjoy our presence and what we're doing. So, you know, might as well just like it now. But we'll give you that.
Can I say it? Can I say it? Can I say it?
Yeah,
like, comment, subscribe. What else? You guys say?
That's it.
That's it?
That's
okay,
it.
cool.
I think that's what I'm still learning. You already know what it is.
Okay.
Cool.
We have time to shine.
Are you rushing us?
I don't think so.
I'm doing my intro now. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, make sure you do subscribe to my channel. And today we are back for another episode of Which Word Are We Watching? Which is the game. Wow. Which is the game show edition of Watch Your Words. Which Word Are We Watching is a game that I play with two of my friends who will race each other in a series of word challenges. For the first part of the game, I will give the guys sentences with homophones in them. Homophones are words that sound the same and are not spelled the same. And depending on the context of the sentence, the guys will write on their whiteboard the proper word. So for example, I'm gonna give you guys a sample one.
Nice, you can.
I'm ready.
I don't
sample, bro.
Oh.
I mean, no, but you could, I mean, if y'all want to race the sample.
Practice make perfect.
I don't want to lose this game.
Niggas. Bro, it's the.
Okay, so the
Alright, so time out.
No,
Wait, time out. Let's specify. Are we writing capital letters or not? Because the capital E fucked me up.
Wait,
The capital E fucked me up.
Okay, you don't have to write in capital letters.
Alright, cool.
Oh shit.
The first person to flip it around to the camera is the winner. The person who does not win has to take a sip of their wine. If they both get it wrong, they both drink. So we'll do this for a couple of rounds. They will tally up their wins. And then the second half is when I give you guys phrases. Watch Your Words is one of my favorite pastimes.
Wait, what's the word? Pastimes?
Yeah, pastime.
Let me take my time and do it right.
Is this one word or two, gentlemen?
This is one word.
One
This
word
is
or
two
two?
words.
You're wrong.
Oh shit.
It is one word.
Pastime.
So Marcus got it right. So you can put one tally in your corner.
Wait, so
Yo, Joe, real quick.
What's up?
What's in your left hand corner?
He doesn't have anything.
Oh, okay. My fault, bro.
Sheesh.
My fault.
Yo, alright, you know what?
My fault, bro.
Now it's time to turn up.
My fault.
Should have never got me started.
Okay, the word is prey.
Pray.
Gazelles are oftentimes prey for lions. Okay, they're both right, so you both get your
Nah, but I flipped my shit first.
I don't know, bro.
Yeah, I think it was Marcus.
It was Marcus. I'm not gonna lie, it was Marcus.
Wow, that's
I'm gonna just
crazy.
drop another.
Maybe I didn't want to hit Cheyenne's glass, so that's why I took my time with it. You understand? You see where the issue is, right?
I feel like you got a drink.
I'm taking a point, but I'm gonna drink though. I got this.
He can't take a point.
Oh shit! Watch me.
It's my show. You don't take a point. Thank you.
Yo, that's crazy, man.
Okay.
Yo, you know what's crazy? You know what? Now you're gonna get into that.
The word is bore.
Okay.
Sentence. Every time Kojo comes into the studio, he always trips on everything. He's such a bore.
What? Like the.
Well, it ain't the other boy, so I'm just trying. I don't even know if I spelled this shit right.
What's this? You're both wrong.
It's BOAR.
It can't be A. That's ain't that a
like
pig?
the animal. Like
No,
the
it's
animal.
BOOR.
Oh.
I turned up the heat on this episode because I felt like Ashley and
just-
Naya were getting the word. Ashley was
I'ma
getting the words
just-
too quickly.
Yeah, you know what?
Kojo, do you not have one?
I don't got one. Oh, I have one, but y'all said I
He
ain't
don't.
turn it around
He
fast
don't.
enough.
He don't got one. Also, I think you dropped your.
I
At
did.
this point, Kojo, you are the 16th seed.
I am. But
BOOR?
I didn't know
Yeah.
that. It's a new one.
Is that a word?
It sure is.
Put that in my word bank. I believe you. He's such a boy.
You learned a new word today.
Thank you.
The definition: a country bumpkin, rustic, or Yorkle. It's the second definition.
I feel insulted. You used me.
I did use your name, but I didn't mean to. It means a klutz. With all those words.
Shit.
I didn't want to use me, but I'm the klutz.
It's okay.
Okay.
So it's 2-zip right now still, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know if you want to see it.
Alright.
Dessert.
Oh. Whoa.
Dessert or desert? Both sound.
Come on, you shouldn't have said that, because now Marcus is going.
Fam.
Alright, bet.
Fam.
Alright.
You guys were having such issues about
Alright.
the way I said the words.
Alright.
Why are you? Okay.
Because at this point, my back is against the wall. I gotta, you know what I mean?
Say the sentence, B.
Come on.
Worry about what we doing.
There's rarely any water in the desert.
Yo, give me my point. I don't even gotta look at Marcus. I won.
What is? First of all,
I had to rush. I
just don't.
I had to rush.
Finally, I'm
First
on
of
the
all,
board.
this is.
Don't say it out loud. Why are you trying to embarrass me?
Yeah.
Why you trying?
Yeah. I erased mine already because I already
You
got
gonna
it.
get a refill.
Yeah.
Why I was just like, thanks, B.
I just want to write it again because, you know,
Okay.
that's what we looking for.
So we're gonna move on to phrases.
Wait, is it like he won that round?
Well, it's cumulative.
Oh, bet.
So your points carry over.
Bet. I think that should have been 2. Just cause like, you know what I mean? But, alright.
Should I raise the stakes and make this a bonus round? Every phrase is worth 2 points?
No, that's cool.
You sure?
Alright.
See? Yeah. Okay.
This is fun. I'm having fun.
This phrase.
It's A and B,
same
right?
moves.
Are we doing A and B?
Are we doing phrases?
A and B.
Copy.
Is the phrase one and the same or one in the same? Kojo, you're wrong.
It's not one and the same?
It's one and.
Okay.
One in the same implies that one thing is within itself and it's the same thing. One and
It's
is
difficult, man.
applying
It's
redundancy.
it's so difficult.
You only have 3 points,
Just being, yeah.
and you're talking that high.
Yeah.
Just stop talking like that.
We'll see what happens at the end. Bet that.
Okay. When you don't like how something is starting.
Hold on. Let me.
Just one.
No, you cannot taunt him before I
I'm sorry.
take a
I'm sorry.
point
Not
away.
getting my fault, bro.
Yo. New rule. You keep talking that shit. Point.
Okay. When you don't like how something is about to end up and you want to nip it in the bud. Which is it, nip it in the bud or nip it in the butt? You guys are both right.
Ah, man.
Shit is a little difficult
It's
out
alright.
here, man.
Now I thought this would be a way closer race.
Whoa, he's up 2.
This is the 4th quarter. You guys ready?
Yeah, man, I'm on my Reggie Miller shit.
Got a minute left in the game.
Just a minute?
Aren't you a Knicks fan? So why would you say some shit?
That wasn't valid. Dame time?
Yo, start this.
Really, nigga?
We don't got no clutch players in New York.
Start this shit, please.
Okay. So is the phrase case and point or case in point?
Come on, just say it. Just say it. Just say
Alright,
it.
whatever.
Just say it. Just say
Alright.
it. Just say it.
Is it case
Just-
end point? Nah, it can't be case end point.
It is.
Case
Is the
end
camera?
point.
This thing on? Which one? Is this it? This shit
So
on?
why haven't you corrected me when you publicly see me use the wrong verbiage? Are we not friends?
I have a show to correct people.
This is
I
ridiculous.
try not to be an asshole on the internet.
This is ridiculous.
Even though technically I am an asshole on the
Oh
internet.
my gosh.
I'm sorry.
This is ridiculous.
The reason why you're wrong is if you're trying to make your case in point of one thing, you use in. If you're saying
Oh, yeah,
case
makes
and point, you're adding something else, which would mean the 2 points are separate.
Case
The
and
case and the point aren't the same thing.
Talk to him.
Yeah. Yo, you know what I'm about to do for the next one? Whatever I think it is, I'm gonna write the opposite because clearly I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about.
All right, this is the last one for the crown, guys.
Okay, so it's worth multiple points?
Let me see how many you got.
I got
Man,
2.
I have 5.
He got 5.
It's worth 3 points.
Let's be a 5-point bonus.
No.
That's
We're
not
not doing that.
scared?
That's not fair. That's not.
I mean, are you scared?
Let's do it.
I like it. I like that energy.
That was toxic, but let's do it.
All right.
Okay. Is it for all intents and purposes or for all intensive purposes?
The fuck does that even mean?
It means that Marcus is the winner with now 10 points.
Wait, how do you know if he got it right?
He said A, for all intents and Why did you walk off camera?
Hold on. Oh, let me talk my shit. First of all, I just want to
Wait.
say thank you to God.
I got it right.
I just want to say
You
thank you to God.
I got it
First
right.
of all, shouts out to Murray Bertram High School class of
2011.
2011. I want to say shouts out to Audi.
Thank you, Father God, for putting me through what you put me through, but I'm here and I'm happy. I just want to, here we go. Okay, the studio, I love you, and Cameron Crowe, and Tom Cruise, I love you, brother. I love you, man. Derek Rose, Sean Settles, Keith.
Game
Wait,
time.
do we do you can follow me at
Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot to do that.
I'm gonna write it down.
Yeah, don't follow me.
Are we still rolling?
We've never stopped.
Still wrong.
Okay. Well, you guys could follow me on all social media platforms at Joe_got.
That's not legible, baby.
Joe_got game. That's JO_got game. Also, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kojo Dadzy. That's KOJODADZIE. Tune into Honest Here and TMTG TV. This wine is getting to me, so my words are slurring.
I will make sure to put your handles
Appreciate
on
you.
the bottom.
I am the best graphic designer in the city as well.
Facts.
In the state at this point.
In the fucking world.
Okay,
the
yep, thank you guys
the world's
so
looking-
much.
Yeah, the world's looking good.
The Grammy music has started. You guys are it's over. Thank you. Goodbye.
Oh shit! He got a lot of points.
He actually
He might be the 1 seed, bro.
He actually is the 1 seed.
Now
right
he's the
now.
kind of 1 seed.
Marcus is the 1 seed for Which Word Are We Watching? If you've gotten this far in the video, subscribe. Well, you should have been subscribed from the
'cause
beginning
I
when
told
Kojo gave you the
like,
spiel.
it's right. The shit is right there. Like
Right, it's right.
It's
Ooh, I
right
want a
under-
point. I never did that
Go ahead,
before.
point.
Here's
Where's
the
it?
point. It's
Where's
gonna,
it?
it's gonna be,
right-
it's gonna
look.
wherever you want it to be.
I'm a freak it. It's gonna be right here. It's right
Okay.
here.
So make sure you subscribe if you're not already
Ain't gonna be
subscribed.
there.
I can put it
That's
there.
all.
I mean, you could.
Well, above. I gotta put it like.
No, but
kinda-
it's like to the side.
All right, so just like put it like here, somewhere. There you
Here?
go. Yeah.
It's gonna be here.
Anything you liked or disliked or want to see more of, please tell me in the comments. This is Which Word Are We Watching? Make sure you're watching your words, and thank you guys for tuning in.
Watch your words, and then I get smoked on the show. That shit is crazy.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy. That's kind of fucked up.